again in another podcast about daily activities and daily routine that we normally do on a daily basis. It is very important that you understand that this is a series of podcast episodes where we talk about the activities that we do on a daily basis. And it is very important that you follow each one of the podcasts or each one of the series in order to be able to catch up with language and terms and expressions that we commonly inject in the conversation. The whole purpose of conversation is to be conditioning your mind to listen carefully and to filter out the words, expressions, and common idiomatic expressions that you know and you familiarize yourself with. So the next time you listen to somebody speaking English, you are not going to say, "I'm sorry, I don't speak English." Shame on you if you say that again. You should not do that. Your English skills and your potentials are going to make you the best English speaker in the world. So let's get started with the podcast of today. In our podcast of today, we are going to talk about what I do after I exit from the shower. I walk into the kitchen and turn on the coffee maker. I always put the coffee filter and water in the night before so it's ready to go. Next, I open the door of the cupboard where the cereal is stored. I would love to have eggs for breakfast every morning with slices of tomato, or maybe a stack of waffles. But the truth is that I just don't have the time to cook. I'm a lazy person. So I access whatever available, grab a bite, and run to work. So I pour myself a bowl of cereal and put in a glass of skim milk, making sure I take a spoon out of the silverware tray. I go outside and pick up my newspaper and sit down at the kitchen table. All of that is taking place around 4:15 a.m. I'm an early bird. I love reading the paper in the morning, though usually I just have time to read a few of the stories. When I have finished my cereal, I grab a banana and maybe make a slice of toast with jam. I rinse off my breakfast dishes in the sink and put them in the dishwasher. Again, I rinse off my breakfast dishes in the sink. I rinse off my breakfast dishes in the sink and put them in the dishwasher. By that time, my coffee is ready, so I pour myself a cup and then put the rest in a thermos for work. That's in a nutshell what I do in this podcast. And that is the part before I go to work.